English as well as Mizo. And our book was the Mizo Sunday School Union Primary Lesson, written by Elder R. Lama Song. We learned in March and April that God listens to our prayers. So now I will ask the same question in English that Zir asked in Mizo. What did the priest Zachariah and his wife Elizabeth ask for in prayer?
A child. A child.
What did Jesus teach his disciples?
The Lord's Prayer.
How did the Pharisee pray?
He looked down on people and glorified himself.
Right, and glorified himself. How did the tax collector pray?
He asked for forgiveness and admitted he was a sinner.
Right, admitted he was a sinner. Who is Cornelius?
The commander of 100 soldiers.
Who is the king who arrested Peter?
Little Herod. King Herod.
King Herod. And who prayed for Peter?
The church members.
Church members of the congregation. And those are lessons we have learned in English and in Mizo on God listens to our prayers.